Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing this HOROW T05 Smart Toilet. Seamlessly combines minimalist design with advanced hygiene. This is a one-piece smart toilet that offers easy install and elongated bowl for added comfort. As you can see, it offers hand-free two-way operation with automatic or foot open and close. So it's got the tab right here. And it has a built-in smart bidet, which provides a range of wash options. And the four-way flushing also system ensures great convenience. It's got a nice remote control with adjustable settings for heated seats, for the dryer, for water temperature, along with an automatic deodorizer as well, plus an intelligent night light. The T05 redefines your bathroom experience, and it upgrades to a maximum hygiene, comfort, and innovation in a style that is as simple as it is simple, and that suits every bathroom. Such a great toilet. I love it. Works amazing. Totally recommend it. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.